Perfect, you got that right. So this proposal is part of the ideation phase, because this is part of my research project which I'm working on, and I will need funds to mainly try to perform some experiments. But in general, everyone's been visiting a lot of e-commerce websites, and recommendation system is not something new. Netflix uses it, Amazon uses it. I'm part of Amazon, so I know for a fact we use it. But what my research project is basically about is, can we use LLMs to basically improve the recommendation space? Can we personalize for a user based on the context that they're forming over time? What happens is, over am I sharing my screen?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Over time, what happens is, users generally interact with chat gpts, for example, and over time they're creating a memory and context, that is, they've asked certain questions, and all of that is going to be useful to basically help your recommendation and recommendation system understand your persona. That is, what is the genre of music you like, what are the kind of movies you enjoy. And the good part is, Google is not stealing it. There's not a third party using your data, but rather the LLM which you hosted on your own platform or your own laptop is using it. And because of which, what we propose is basically a user agent interaction, agent recommender collaboration, and agents collaboration. What happens is, you interact with the agent understands what exactly you like and remembers that over time, and agent then interacts with various topics. So for example, if you ask a question about traveling, right? So it talks to a travel agent particularly to understand what is the requirements that you need, and does that particular entity fulfill it. A very simple use case would be, I want to have a travel agent. So the agent recommender will ask all the questions. For example, what kind of travel do you prefer? What is the communication style you want? Do you want someone from your cultural background to be present in that place to help out? So based on all the requirements that you need, it helps perform a search. This is much more useful because that way contextually it knows what exactly you want, and it'll help you narrow down your search, and that way you're able to plan your trip as well. Yeah, and this is our project AgentRec. As part of this, there 3 to 4 milestones, which is part of this particular ideation phase. And